Piles of receipts, loads of paperwork. How much time do you spend on your trucking business? Instead of spending time on the road, you're stuck trying to figure out if a load is even worth it. You want to make sure you're getting paid fairly, but how much is fair? Do you have the answer in your head? Maybe a better question is, can your software help you get paid fairly? There are so many things that eat up your time as a trucker. From managing your expenses to calculating your profits, dealing with brokers, finding loads, and staying compliant. What if there was a way to unlock your potential and maximize your trucking efficiency? Introducing TruckerBot, your AI-powered back office. As a trucking business owner, you know how important it is to have the right tools to succeed. That's why we developed the ultimate trucking business app, designed for owner-operators and small fleet managers just like you. Our trucking software was built with simplicity and ease of use in mind, so that you can focus on what really matters: hitting the road and making money. With TruckerBot, you can transform your back office and take your trucking business to the next level. Let's take a look at some of our top features. Expense tracking. Say goodbye to messy receipts and spreadsheets. With our expense tracker, you can snap a photo and log all of your fuel, repair, and fixed costs in seconds. No more wasting time on manual data entry. Just snap, log, and categorize. It's that easy. Profitability calculator. Wondering if a load is worth it? With our profitability calculator, you can instantly see if a load is going to make you money. No more guesswork. Just enter the details and let our software do the math. AI email assistant. Struggling to write professional emails to brokers? Our AI assistant has got you covered. Just type a few words and it will draft a professional message for you. You can even schedule the message to be sent later. Document vault. All of your contracts and compliance documents are safe and secure in one place. Our encrypted vault keeps your documents safe and accessible at any time. No more worrying about lost or misplaced papers. Fleet-friendly tools. Manage multiple trucks and drivers with ease. Our software makes it simple to assign loads, track progress, and ensure compliance for your entire fleet. Mobile plus web access. Your office is now in your pocket. Access TruckerBot from anywhere, at any time. Our software is designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Compliance made easy. Stay compliant with ease. Our software helps you manage your DVIRs, maintenance, and DOT readiness all in one place. Don't let paperwork stress you out. Take back your time and boost your profits with TruckerBot. Start today at TruckerBot.app.